as you step into this new chapter of your life, embrace your journey, learn, and always remember na si daddy mo will always be by your side no matter what happens. So I love you and happy birthday.
This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning.
Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, tonight is the night we've been all waiting for. Madlang people, let's give them a big round of applause. Our dearest debutant, none other than Rhea and Bernabe at 18.
Sana ay lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Yun talaga. Dream big. Kahit anong namang mangyari, nandito kami ng daddy mo. Love you, be.
Kissing and hope they cut us, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it, I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you.
Sasabihin ko pa ba? Heart Evangelista ito! May your dreams and goals come true as you start your new journey of your life. Wishing you good health and success. Happy birthday.
I wanna show you out.
Kahit mabait ka, minsan may mga time na pinapagalitan kita. Hindi talaga minsan pala, lagi pinapagalitan kita. Hindi yun para sa akin o sa daddy mo, kundi para din yun sa sarili mo. Para meron kang room for improvement. Gagawin mo pa ang best para sa iyo.
Some they hope they cut us, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it, I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna show you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lang Lang. I wish you all the best and good luck po sa journey niyo. Happy birthday po.
I wanna show you.
As a father, very proud kami sa kanya despite of yung journey namin from start until now na nag-18 years old siya. Hindi ko maalala na binigyan niya kami ng sakit ng ulo. So, yun si Rhea.
Si Rhea kasi ang panganay ko. Akala ko kasi siya lang mag-isa. Nung lumabas yung dalawa ko, doon ko na-realize na si Rhea ay napakabait talaga ng bata. Kasi ang lumabas, napakakulit.
Sabi ng kumpare ko doon, kamukha daw ako ni Jessie Menjola. And I
get something to believe in, you get something to prove. You gotta lay it on the line and hope it don't get too heavy. He said, Mama, you're the ground I'm walking. I don't get a straight line if we are in.
Kung napanood niyo po ang pelikulang ng kinain ni Adan, ang pinya ni Eva, ang nag-iisang Glidel Mercado ng Salucan Ride!
From the bathroom, 'cause I needed it, I felt it already. Oh, and it ain't worth it being hurt by loving isn't worth it. On it being hurt by love isn't worth it. Being hurt, say your la la la, lost in my feeling now.
Before namin siyang bitawan into the real world, parang ito na yung I'm hoping na pinaka-last na na mag-decide kami para sa kanya. Since pag 18 na siya, so pagdating ng 18 is up to her to decide. We're just here sa side niya to guide, but I think ultimately siya na magde-decide after this.